Testing version 490. After sharing your comic, now you can edit and preview your work without problems. The previous button at the lower left works, but the numbering is wrong. As this is not so relevant, I will look to the other side. The title and description pop-up appears when you want to share your comic. The annoying thing is every time you share your comic, you have to delete the marketing information. Music, please! It seems like flipping props works. No, it doesn't. It works on edition mode, but not on the exported video. Unfortunately, my cup should be full, empty, full, and that is not working yet. By the way, exporting time is quite acceptable. Well, the update description says that the preview and share buttons on comics are working, and that works. So the update was correct, but there are still many things to be done. That's it for now. Thank you for subscribing, and thanks for watching.